Deep beneath the waves, a silent molecular alarm is screaming towards zero. You might think coral reefs are just scenery, but they are actually governed by a precise biological clock, one that is currently triggering a mass cellular collapse. We are uncovering the terrifying chemical mechanisms turning vibrant underwater metropolises into silent graveyards before the final alarm sounds.
Every year, on a single night, across thousands of kilometers of ocean, millions of corals do something extraordinary. They all spawn simultaneously, same hour, same minute, as if connected by an invisible signal. This isn't coincidence. Deep inside coral tissue live proteins called cryptochromes, molecular light sensors that detect the exact wavelength of a full moon. They cross-reference sea temperature, tidal pressure, and circadian rhythm to calculate the perfect reproductive window. Evolution spent 500 million years perfecting this clock. But here is the terrifying part. Rising ocean temperatures are warming the baseline. The clock still ticks, but now it triggers at the wrong time. Eggs are released before fertilization is possible, a massive reproductive mismatch. Generation after generation, failing before it begins.
Living inside every coral polyp is an algae called Zooxanthellae. This isn't a parasite, it's a partner. It converts sunlight into sugar, feeding the coral, giving it its color, its life. But when water temperature rises by even 1 degree Celsius above the seasonal maximum, the algae malfunctions. It begins producing toxic oxygen radicals, essentially poisoning the very host that shelters it. The coral has no choice. It expels the algae in a desperate molecular act of self-preservation. The result? Bleaching. The vibrant color vanishes. What remains is a brilliant white skeleton, beautiful and utterly dying. Without Zooxanthellae, the coral loses 90% of its energy source. The architecture remains, but the city inside is already dead.
Corals don't just live in isolation, they communicate. Across kilometers of ocean, they release hormonal chemical signals, coordinating growth, spawning, immune response. It's a biological internet, older than any species on land. But CO2 absorption is acidifying the ocean, and that pH shift is scrambling the signal. It's like adding static to every frequency at once. The result? Phantom spawning. Corals release eggs in perfect sequence, but the eggs themselves are genetically non-viable, heat-damaged DNA, empty capsules of life. And as these endocrine systems collapse, the biological drive to rebuild is chemically suppressed. The reef stops trying. The silence that follows isn't peaceful. It's the silence of surrender.
In just 6 to 8 weeks following a major bleaching event, a reef that took 10,000 years to build can be functionally dead. When the living tissue dies, the calcium carbonate skeleton is exposed to acidic seawater. It doesn't just stop growing, it actively dissolves. The architecture that once supported an entire civilization of species crumbles. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, yet they shelter 25% of all marine species. When the structure disappears, the shelter disappears. There is no migration, there is no backup reef, there is only disappearance. An entire underwater metropolis gone in a matter of weeks. But here, in 2026, the counterattack has begun. Scientists are using CRISPR gene editing technology to rewrite the thermal tolerance of coral DNA, essentially building a new generation of corals that can survive temperatures their ancestors never could. Living organisms rewired for a world that no longer resembles the one they evolved in. Simultaneously, marine cloud brightening projects are deploying fleets of ships across reef tracts, injecting fine sea salt particles into low clouds to amplify their reflectivity, creating artificial shade, buying time.
But every one of these interventions shares the same brutal deadline. Scientists are unanimous. The next 24 months represent the final window, the last real opportunity to prevent the permanent, irreversible silence of reefs that have governed ocean life for 500 million years.